Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Dodge Charger SXT Plus all-wheel drive, stock number B9543P. Only 19,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, bright white in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, along with an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, including 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Charger is in the large car class, Seats 5, leather interior. Rear outboard seats are heated. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And not only low miles, but very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This SXT Plus has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, and ventilated seats keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Dual zone automatic temperature control. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box with the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Charger has a 3.6-liter V6, 292 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.